Hi guys, Andy here with MadSiss Productions, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of Neweer shoulder mounted professional photography kit. So overall, I'd have to give this unit 4 out of 5 stars. Some of the pros that I liked about this shoulder rig was the construction elements of it, the components. The components were made of aluminum for the most part, a few plastic parts here and there. It's a very sturdy, very easy to use rig. Some of the downsides that I don't like about it is some of the parts that are plastic were on the mat box. The tightening screws on the mat box were made of plastic. Now the tightening screws on the rest of the rig are all made of metal, which they lock down great, and I feel like I can tighten them as tight as I need to be without fear of breaking them. But the mat box itself, they're made of plastic. Now on the flip side of that, I guess I'm not really going to be tightening the screws on the mat box down crazily tight, but you know, overall, if I had to redo the project, I would make them metal. As far as putting the rig together, it was actually pretty easy. Now I've seen some reviews online with this particular rig, and some of the cons that they had were that the instruction manual that came with it either didn't exist or it wasn't very thorough. I guess Neweer's heard some of the complaints and made some changes, because the little pamphlet that I got that you saw earlier in the video was very easy to follow, and the rig was very easy to put together. The other con that I would have to say that I don't like about this rig so much is the counterweight, the counterbalance. So this is all that was provided. Now it just doesn't seem to be enough. Especially if you're putting all these external components on, such as a monitor, a light, a microphone, whatever the case may be. I have some counterweights that I have from a Steadicam that I use, and what I did is I took some 550 cord and I ran it through the weights, attached a snap link, and then the snap link I just attached to the back of the rig. And it seems to work pretty well, although it's not perfect. Now with any new rig, there's always going to be a period of adjustment. So using this rig more frequently and practicing with it, I'm going to get better shots out of it. Anyway, you'll be able to see some of the footage that I put in the video. Overall, again, I really like this rig so far. I'm really excited to get out there and use it. I want to give a special shout out to Tommy Quarterguard. Tommy, you're watching. Thank you very much. Tommy actually provided this rig to us here at MadSiss Productions. We are going to be doing a production with him, collaborating on a project, documentary. And I don't want to give too much away yet because we haven't fully started production, but stay tuned to the channel. It's going to be very exciting. It's going to be inspirational. And we're very excited to bring it to you. So stay tuned and be on the lookout for some previews. Again, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll hope to talk to you soon.